Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I show you in this new latest and trendy and useful for your home decoration and renovations design ideas. Share with you today. Here are your YouTube video showpieces for home decoration ideas. Add touch of elegance and the your home with these stunning showpieces ideas in this video to share our top picks from the show stopping and decorative pieces that will elevate your home styles and they become conversations started to your statement making vases of the eye-catching sculptures to and the modern art pieces to traditional and decorative item. We got you covered whether you are looking and touch pop to color texture interest in your living room and your living space bedrooms and dinings room. These showpieces ideas inspire your wall. You create the beautiful table unique design showpieces the reflects your personal styles. So get ready to take your home decor to the next level and make statement with these show stopping to showpieces ideas. You In this video you discover unique the creative showpieces ideas for the every room in your home, tips and tricks to styling and displaying your showpieces, inspirations to mixing and the matching different decorative styles and the appears and the many more ideas help you create a beautiful and Instagram worthy home your decorations. So set back, relax, and get ready to be inspired. The create the home decor that truly shows stopping. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos update. You share my video your friends and guests. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.